Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the document on Google Docs into a pageless format. So if you want to simplify your documents in here on the Google Docs with the pageless format, you can follow these steps right here. So this is my current document. I'm going to lower the view. You can see this is how it will look like. There is page number at the top like this. And if you want to simplify it with the pageless format, here you can just go to the format at the top and there will be this option switch to pageless format. You can tap on that and just like that, and now the file, so the document will go like this into it will turn into a pageless format, so the page number will disappear just like this. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the things. Bye.